Hey guys, welcome back to Little Burger Dairy here. We're on part 3 of my hay series, and we'll see you after the fun's done. So I got my fiance here, my truck driver. It's too early to be on video, she said. Hey! I'm not putting that in the video. But we're gonna be loading these square bales here. Got a skid loader, trailer, and let's do it. We just loaded up a group of bales here. We're gonna put 11 on a load. Fiance's behind me moving the truck, and I'm moving to the next group of bales. All right, all the bales are home, 56 of them. I gotta put them in the shed still. But my fiance did a great job recording some awesome action shots. Now time to go get the skid loader. All right, we just got the back stop off. We're gonna wind up the cables, take the bagger off the bag all the way, and put on another one. All right, we got another 200-foot bag in the bucket, and we just fueled up to 105, and gonna go put this bag on now. Howdy, folks. Welcome to probably part 3 of first cutting alfalfa. We're about to start this tractor with a screwdriver, the redneck way, and yeah, then we're gonna start bringing in loads, chopping the last of the alfalfa. Then we're gonna move into that new seed. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Just walked up here to the tractor. That's all. Your screwdriver. First try every time. We're out here unloading again. Got a couple strips that I cut yesterday that we're gonna be doing. Yesterday as in Sunday. And this stuff has a lot more moisture in it than that stuff was that we chopped on Friday. That stuff was really dry, but it is what it is. So I always get asked this, how good are you at backing up to these wagons without having to pull the tongue out or having to get back in, move forward, move backward? How are you so good at that, you know? Just like, I never get asked that. But like, I'm freaking good. Watch. I'm about to just put this right on the draw bar right now. Put the pin right in. Look at that. Got the pin right in. First try every time. All right, we just finished the second 200 foot by 10 foot bag here. About to pull it off. Just finished before the rain. I didn't take any video of us doing our new seating, but this is the bag coming off, 2 bags finished. Have to like jump it like that to get the feed to fall out. right, guys, we got all the bales grouped up here for them to wrap them, and that's a wrap on first crop hay. Second crop's coming along nicely, and hope you guys enjoyed this 3-part little series I had. And thank you guys for over 700 subscribers. That's crazy. So thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Hi, guys. Welcome back to Little Burger Dairy here. This is part 3 of my hay series. I had water in my mask. God dang it.